Hey, Ms. Pittman, this is just a walkthrough on how to use the printing press. To begin, they start. I think you had them doing a newspaper. So once they pick their template and add their images by just finding a picture, let's say that I'm just going to choose a random picture I've saved, and then they can type their text right here. Okay, so then once they're finished or the period is over and they need to save it, they click this Finish button up here. Now to save it as a draft so they can continue to work on it, they use this button. To save it as a final, which will be a PDF, they click this button. So to save it as a draft, they click Save as a Draft. They type their name or whatever they want to name the project. I would say Kristen Newspaper. Click Save. And then the big thing is that you want to make sure that they save it in the right folder. So right now it's going to my downloads. I probably want to go ahead and save it to my desktop. I don't think they have the option, but you want to go ahead and have them save it to my documents, and then it will be saved in my documents. And then once they need to get back in it, they just go back to Printing Press. So I'm going to click Get Started again, click Open, and then they need to find the document. Mine was on my desktop, so desktop up here. Here it is, and it will open back up. Now if I want to finish it and save it as a final, I can do the same thing. This is now going to save it as a PDF. I can save it as a final to my documents, and then they can email it to you in their portal. So I would click Save. Again, I want to make sure that in the right folder. I'm going to put it on my desktop. The kids probably should put it in their documents. So I'm going to say Kristen Final Newspaper. Click Save. And then that's done. I'm going to go to this account, and they should be logged on to their Microsoft account. They can go to their Outlook. They can go to New, type your name, click this, and then they'll have to go to My Documents over here, Computer. Mine was on my desktop, so I'm going to look for it. I can actually search for it up here. Here it is. Click Open, and they can attach it as a copy to you so that you can print them. Hope that helps. If you need any more questions, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.